Bitcoin price prediction. Kiyosaki warns of a Great Depression. Will BTC's scarcity drive value? Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Crypto writer, Arslan Butt. Crypto writer, Arslan Butt. About author. Arslan Butt is an experienced webinar speaker, market analyst, and content writer specializing in crypto, forex, and commodities. He provides expert insights, trading strategies, and in-depth analysis. Author profile. Share. Copied. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Last updated 5 minutes ago. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. Bitcoin price prediction. Robert Kiyosaki, the well-known author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, has been warning for months that the United States could be heading toward what he calls a Greater Depression. At first, many dismissed this as overly pessimistic. But the latest numbers are making his concerns harder to ignore. America's national debt has now climbed above $37 trillion, while household debt has reached a record $18.39 trillion. Credit card delinquencies are also rising, showing that everyday Americans are struggling to keep up with higher borrowing costs. On top of that, the labor market, which has long been one of the strongest parts of the U.S. economy, is beginning to weaken. In August, the economy added just 22,000 new jobs, and unemployment rose to 4.3%, the highest level in 4 years. Meanwhile, inflation is proving stubborn, and the Federal Reserve is under pressure. If it cuts interest rates too slowly, growth could stall further. But if it cuts too aggressively, it could spark new problems of its own. Rising bankruptcies, falling consumer confidence, and slower growth are already feeding the sense of fragility. Against this backdrop, Kiyosaki's warning feels more relevant than ever. And for many investors, Bitcoin's built-in scarcity is once again drawing attention as a possible hedge against economic uncertainty. Bitcoin's scarcity advantage. Bitcoin's structure offers what fiat currencies cannot: a fixed limit on supply. With a hard cap of 21 million coins, and more than 19.9 million already mined, the remaining issuance is shrinking. The next halving in 2028 will slow new supply even further, tightening availability at a time when traditional assets risk dilution. Unlike gold, Bitcoin is borderless, transparent, and instantly transferable, making it an increasingly attractive hedge during monetary uncertainty. If fears of recession deepen, its limited supply could amplify its role as a store of value. For many, the very risks Kiyosaki warns about may highlight why Bitcoin's scarcity matters most. Bitcoin short-term technical outlook. Bitcoin is consolidating near $110,800 inside an ascending triangle, a pattern that often signals upward continuation. Since late August, the chart has shown higher lows pressing against resistance at $113,400, reflecting steady accumulation. The 50 SMA at $110,209 is acting as a floor, while the 200 SMA at $112,543 serves as a pivot. Momentum indicators lean constructive, with the RSI near 51 and candlestick activity, doji and spinning tops, pointing to buyers absorbing pressure. A breakout above $113,400 with volume could open the door toward $115,400 and $117,150, confirming the bullish trajectory. If $110,000 fails, support sits lower at $108,450 to $107,400, though the rising trendline suggests such pullbacks remain corrective rather than a trend reversal. For traders, a tactical long above $113,400, with stops under $110,200, offers a clear setup. Bitcoin long-term forecast, higher zones ahead. Bitcoin's broader trend remains firmly bullish, anchored by its rising channel on the weekly chart. Price is consolidating above $110,000, with immediate resistance at $124,750 and a critical test at $134,500. Clearing this zone would likely open the way toward Fibonacci targets near $171,000, with $231,000 as the next long-term milestone. The 50-week SMA at $95,928 provides strong dynamic support, while the 200-week SMA around $42,869 marks the ultimate structural floor. The RSI at 62 signals healthy momentum without being overbought, leaving space for continued expansion. Candlestick action shows no signs of major reversals, reinforcing buyer control. For long-term investors, dips toward $100,000 to $104,000 may provide accumulation opportunities rather than risks. With issuance slowing and demand rising, Bitcoin's scarcity-driven appeal strengthens the case for six-figure levels in the next cycle. Pre-sale Bitcoin Hyper, Dollar Hyper, combines BTC security with Solana speed. Bitcoin Hyper, Dollar Hyper, is positioning itself as the first Bitcoin native Layer 2 powered by the Solana Virtual Machine, SVM. Its goal is to expand the BTC ecosystem by enabling lightning-fast, low-cost smart contracts, decentralized apps, and even meme coin creation. By combining BTC's unmatched security with Solana's high-performance framework, the project opens the door to entirely new use cases, including seamless BTC bridging and scalable dApp development. The team has put strong emphasis on trust and scalability, with the project audited by Consult to give investors confidence in its foundations. Momentum is building quickly. The pre-sale has already crossed $14.1 million, leaving only a limited allocation still available. At today's stage, hypertokens are priced at just $0.012865, but that figure will increase as the pre-sale progresses. You can buy hypertokens on the official Bitcoin Hyper website using crypto or a bank card. Click here to participate in the pre-sale. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Ethereum and Picoin by the end of 2025. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana and Pepe by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. $700 million whale transfer shocks community. Is Wall Street quietly buying? New ChatGPT AI predicts the price of XRP, Avalanche and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. Crypto price prediction today, September 5th. XRP, Cardano, Shiba Inu. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Why an ETF could spark a Bitcoin-like 60% jump. 20 hours ago. By Arslan Butt. Price analysis. Ethereum price prediction. Institutional demand and whale accumulation signal a bullish reversal. 20 hours ago. By Arslan Butt. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Legendary BTC wallet suddenly moves $52 million. Is Satoshi alive? 1 day ago. By Arslan Butt. Best crypto to buy now in September 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 3 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in September 2025. Top new crypto coins. 1 day ago. By Inesis Tavares. 11 Best Crypto Presales to Invest in 2025. Presale Crypto List. One Day Ago, by Alan Draper. 14 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in September 2025. One Day Ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. One Day Ago, by Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? One Day Ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, Price Prediction 2025 to 2030. 1 hour ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, Price Prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum Price Prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025, by Ben Beto.